You will be amazed by this 2014 Chevrolet Suburban. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. The Suburban delivers the utility of a truck, as well as the refined comfort, technology, and safety features of a full-size luxury SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, multi-zone AC, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, third row seat, aluminum wheels. You'll feel like you're on top of the world in the Suburban. Drive it today.